Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Poco M5, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the gallery recycle bin. As you can see here, I have the photos, and I will remove these screenshots. Delete, great. And to recover it, I just need to open albums, scroll down, then deleted items. Here I have my deleted photos. I need to choose it. I can choose several and click restore. Great, but you need to understand that you have only 30 days to recover deleted photos. After this time, photos and memories will be automatically removed permanently. Bye, see you.